How to export from Airtable to Excel. Hello guys, and today we're going to talk about this platform called Airtable. And the first thing you're going to do is to log in into your account. Now after doing that, we're going to open a workspace that we have, for example this one. And then over here, this is where we will be able to view our table. I'm going to type in a name for testing, just like that. And the next thing we're going to do is you're going to look over here on the top left. You're going to look for this option called grid view. You're simply going to click this, and as you can see over here at the bottom, we have the option to download CSV. You're simply going to click this, and that will download a CSV file into your computer. After doing that, you can simply click on this, and you're going to select Excel as the application to open the CSV file. Then you're going to click on this once, and just like that, our table from Airtable is converted to Excel. And that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.